శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 322nd డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము ఆదిపర్వము 202nd chapter. Sutta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, now Dhritarashtra is having a meeting with Bhishma, Drona and other ministers, Duryodhana, Karna. In that meeting, Bhishma Pitamaha giving his opinion like this. O Dhritarashtra, I do not like to fight with Pandavas. And how much ever you are close to me, they are also close to me. How much ever I have responsibility to take care of you and Duryodhana and other brothers, also Pandavas. Also, Dhritarashtra, how much ever you have responsibility over your own sons, so also you too have the same amount of responsibility over Pandavas. So, I have no interest in fighting with Pandavas. It is better you give half kingdom to Diyatam Ardha Bhumihi. It is better you give away a half kingdom to Pandavas and make friendship with them. And this kingdom belongs to all of your ancestors. Duryodhana, you are thinking that this kingdom belongs to your father. So also Pandavas thinking this kingdom belongs to their father. So if you think they cannot get this kingdom, I would think you cannot also get this kingdom. O Duryodhana, madhure naiva rajyasya teshamardham pradhiyatam. With love, you give half kingdom to Pandavas. That is the best thing for every one of us. If you think otherwise, if you do anything other than this, that is not at all good for anyone. Definitely there will be so much defame to you. You have to protect your own fame. Duryodhana, only the fame is the great strength to human. The moment their fame is destroyed, it is nothing but that man is totally killed. So as long as there is fame, man is alive. The moment fame is totally destroyed, man is died. That is what is Shastram says. And Duryodhana, whatever your ancestors have done, do that. And whatever that it is good, do that. By luck, Pandavas and Kunti Devi got out of that fire accident. Duryodhana, though you have done with the help of Purochana, nobody is accusing Purochana. Everyone is accusing you only. Ever since I heard that Kunti Devi and Pandavas were killed in that fire accident, then onwards I haven't seen anyone with my eyes. I totally closed my eyes, you know that? Dhritarashtra, fortunately Pandavas are alive. Now by inviting them, by seeing them, you can wash off all of your sin. O Duryodhana, I am telling you one more thing. While Pandavas are alive, nobody, even Indra also cannot abduct their kingdom. Nobody can take away their kingdom while they are alive. They are also righteous, Duryodhana. All of those Pandavas think in one way. Their mind is one. Their thoughts are one. And they have equal right on this kingdom. My dear Duryodhana, you are the one being so unrighteous, you sent them away from this kingdom. At least now, if you want to be so righteous, if I want to be nice to all the people and do good things to the people, and if all the people of our kingdom to be safe, there is only one way, that is Tesham Ardham Pradiyatam. That one single way is give away half kingdom to Pandavas. Like that, Bhishma Pitamaha giving his opinion. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. For Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.